On blossoming romance with Chi Filomeno, I'm happy, super. Ayaw pa ring lagyan ng label ni Jake Cuenca, 35, ang espesyal na relasyon na namamagitan sa kanila ni Chi Filomeno, 26. March 2023 nang mabalita ang pagde-date ng dalawa, at hindi naman itinanggi ni na Jake at Chi na sobra nilang na-enjoy ang company ng bawat isa. Nagbigay ng pahayag si Jake tungkol sa kanila ni Chi. Good. Masaya, paglalarawan niya sa namamagitan sa kanila ng dalaga. But like I've said, paano ba? I learned a few things from my past relationship. I don't wanna do anything para modlot, kasi it's very happy and it's very good right now. For me, basing it from the things I've learned from the past, parang I don't wanna pull the trigger too early. Wala pa, pero din niya, for me, right now, I can be blunt by saying she makes me happy, super. Masasabi bang exclusively dating sila ng aktres? She makes me happy, malamang sabi ni Jake. Tinanong namin si Jake kung ano-ano ang mga espesyal na katangian ni Chi ang nagugustuhan niya. Alam mo, what's so special about her is her heart, eh. Si Chi kasi ever since nung nakilala ko pa lang siya nun, the first time, I always know she is a very kind person, sobrang bait saka sobrang family-oriented. Eh, ganun din ako. Very family-oriented so I really appreciate that. Hinahangaan din daw ni Jake ang determinasyon ni Chi sa trabaho. I appreciate her journey. Na-appreciate ko yung journey niya sa showbiz, kasi she's a person who's been here for a long time pero now palang dumarating ang time niya, which she waited for. She waited for her time to come. For me, I find it beautiful, just as beautiful as she is. Napapanood si Jake bilang Eros sa primetime action series na ito ng Kapamilya Channel. Masaya at labis ang pasasalamat ni Jake sa mga patuloy na tumatangkilik sa serye. Isa sa karakter na papasok sa book 2 ng Ironheart ay si JM De Guzman. Excited naman si Jake na makatrabaho ang aktor. I couldn't think of a better project but to work with him in Ironheart. Sabi ko nga, when we're here sa set, para kaming mga bata. It's serious, very serious. Serious stuff kasi it's a matter of life and death to do a fight scene, but I can't help and feel like a kid when on set. Ibinahagi rin ng Kapamilya actor ang mga karanasan niya nang mag-tape sila ng mahahalagang eksena ng serye sa Rome, Italy. Certainly it was very fun, but it was lot of work, it's more work, eh. We're all happy and we're all satisfied with what we did kasi we're all happy with the work. Nakuha ni Direk lahat ng material na kailangan niya. Certainly they gave us a great acting space na ang sarap umarte sa ibang bansa. Ang sarap umarte sa Rome, no joke, that's what I'm saying, na, I'm happy kasi I get to work and I get to travel at the same time. Inspirado si Jake dahil nabibigyan siya ng iba-ibang roles kung saan napapakita niya ang kanyang talento sa pag-arte. Bagay na talaga palang target ni Jake sa tuwing tatanggap siya ng proyekto. I really consider myself a full-time actor, pag nagpresenta ako ng role, if I do something for the show, I really try to do something na di pa ninyo nakikita. I try my best not to repeat my performance. For me, what I'm trying to do is try to create from scratch and then present it to the fans and audience.